let's go ahead and remove your water pan support bracing. Only this one and this one. And also, along with moving the water pan support brace, let's go ahead and prepare the tables to mate each other. You're going to want to go ahead and remove the bolts on one side of your table and prep it to receive the next bolts. So the next step we're going to do is mate the two tables. If you notice, I went ahead and I left a few bolts in place in the staggered position to make both tables together to kind of hold all the parts together. So with the help of a helping hand, go ahead and bring your next table close to the take the nuts off first. You get your side first. So now that you have your tables mated together, let's go ahead and put back your water pan support rails. So now that you got your frame mated together, let's go ahead and install your center gantry support rails. We're going to start by removing all the top hardware and loosening the bottoms. If you notice, this bracket has slots to slide into place so we don't have to completely disassemble the corner legs. Want about an 1/8 to 3/16 gap, and this plate will slide right in. And go ahead and drop your top hardware back in. go ahead and tighten that up. So once you have your center gantry support braces mounted, go ahead and replace what you had on your 4x4 to your 4x8. And go ahead and repeat the process on the other side. So now that we have all your gantry braces in place, let's go ahead and install our gantries back. We're going to go ahead and start with our first Y gantry. We took that off our original 4x4 table. Now we're going to take this and apply it to the front of the table since it's already aligned to the stop. And you're going to need a helping hand with this. It's very crucial that you do not let the upright come off the linear rail. So go ahead and align the T-nuts on your side. Make sure these are flush. I just want to make sure I pull the gantry tube all the way to your gantry face. And we're just going to go ahead and secure these T-nuts. So at this point, go ahead and grab your other gantry tube. This one. Right now.
Does he want stuff?
Yeah. So go ahead and repeat this process on the other side. Now that we got your Y gantries back installed, let's go ahead and repeat the following steps of leveling and work corner to corner.